And standing next to me here. Samantha Stadnicki. Heather Buck. Catherine Lavoy House. Holly Lund. Aubrey Brown. Caitlin Brown. Carlin Briscoe. Margot Christensen. Garrett DeSoto. Brianna Olson. Dana Maleka. Miranda Hershey. Samaya Speed. Okay, first of all, I need to say that 93 honor grads is more than a third of your senior class. That's awesome. Next, I need to say, minus me, these are your salutatorians with a 4.4 GPA. Congratulations. You may have your seat. Okay. So, just so you know, excuse me, for those of you who don't know the significance of salutatorian, that's the second highest GPA in the entire class, so the weighted 4.4. So what are we missing? The valedictorians with a 4.5 GPA. Please join me. Gianna Mangieri. Juliana Hopkins. Ryan Scott. And you have 4, Jenna Newman. Awesome accomplishments. Valedictorians, salutatorians, honor grads, and the entire class. You all are a great group. You've done a lot of things to set your own legacy as you leave. Don't stop now. You've got a lot left to do. Okay? Thank you very much.